Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. This is Osama, and you're watching the Arabic Twist on YouTube. Welcome to the second grammar lesson. Before we get started, I have two things I want to tell you about. First, you already know many things in Arabic grammar. All these sentences we studied so far, they were all filled with grammatical concepts and nuances. I've been giving you some grammar bits, so to speak, in each lesson, in each sentence, so you absorb them naturally. However, there are some concepts that need a full lesson to explain them. And these are the ones we're going to be studying in these lessons. So we're not going to be talking about each and every topic in the language, because we already discussed a big chunk of them. And we're going to continue discussing more and more grammatical concepts in each lesson that includes words and sentences. We will also be having many grammatical concepts in stories and conversations. This way you will master the language without having that mindset of hard work and studying. It'll feel like a game. You're just having fun. I promise. Second, nothing here is random. All the lessons are prepared and structured in the best way possible. They build up on each other. So don't worry about the curriculum. Just worry about your part. Watching the lessons consistently, without distracting yourself with other content. Alright, now what do we have today? Today we're going to be talking about an important topic, an extremely important one. الميزان الصرفي. Now there is no actual need to know what this means. Just look at this word. Believe, believed, believer, believing, believable, unbelievable, and so on. As you can see in English, we add suffixes. We change the suffix, thereby deriving a new word. In Arabic, however, we have something called forms. Like the entire structure of the word indicates something. Like this form, فاعل. This indicates someone who does the action. So, شرب, he drank. شارب, one who drinks. ذهب, he went. ذاهب, one who goes. Now the way this thing works is actually very easy. Everything starts with this word. فعل. This is the basic unit. Now take any verb, for example, خرج. The خاء represents the فاء. The راء represents the عين. And the جيم represents the لام. Now when I tell you that we have the form فاعل that indicates someone who does the action, you can notice that we have the ف, the عين, and the لام. And the short vowels are already indicated. So we take the خاء, we put it here. Then we put the ألف. This ألف is always gonna be there. Then we take the عين, that is the راء, and then the لام of the verb, which is the جيم. So خارج. خرج, he went out. خارج, the one who goes out. Okay, now another example. This form, مفعول. This indicates someone or something that the action was done upon. So let's say, for example, قتل. This verb means he killed. Now in the form, we have the ف, the عين, and the لام. قتل is in the form of فعل. The قاف represents the ف, the تاء represents the عين, and the لام represents the لام. So take these three letters and put them in the form, and keep the meme and the واو. So مقتول, the one who got killed. What about the killer? Well, فاعل. قاتل. So as you can see, by learning roots and forms, you are actually learning hundreds of new words. And very soon you will be able to guess the meanings of many new words, because you will recognize the root they came from. And inshallah, in coming lessons, we're gonna be talking about many derivatives and how to form them. Okay buddy, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next lesson, but till then have a good one, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.